Hello everybody, good day to you and welcome back. If this is your first time here, just welcome. I'm glad you're here. I know I'm glad to be here. This is a Ram 1500 Classic. That means it's the old body style after a redesign. 2019 with, looks like 49,277 miles on the clock. And this video is going to be another episode of legendary battery installation time. Customer called the other day, they would like a battery replaced. Don't know what's wrong with it, but that is what they want and that is what they'll get. I imagine it's a crappy old battery that has been failing them, and they would like such things remedied. So to the shop we go. Let's pop in the hood and see what's going on with this Electron containment unit, and we'll go from there. So stay tuned, because I'm going to take an ordinary mundane service and make it fun and interesting for your viewing pleasure. The thing thinks I'm going to run into that jack right there, but I'm not. I'm smarter than you are, radar. Park, powering down. And wherever that hood lever is, I'll find that next. Oh, where is it? What is, oh, we're off to a bad start. Can't even open the hood. There it is. It's a wee little lever. All right, Ramicus, show me what you're working with. Looks like factory battery. Okay. Just for fun, I think I'll test this first. Okay. Let's see what we got here. We have a tangled up cord. That's what we've got. I see what happened. Someone tried to wrap this up very nice like, and it didn't work out. Okay. Connected. What's our rating? 730 cold cranking amps. Good. Regular battery, cold cranking amps, 750, 730. Testing. 12.53 volts with, I don't know. Come back. 445 cold cranking amps, replace battery. Battery is kaput. Okay, let's get a new one. Okay, so in an effort to maintain the radio memory, I'm going to install a Ow, I burned my arm on the radiator. That's what I get. Oh, why? That's bad. Anyway, as I was saying, I'm going to install a jumper box to the power wires right here. This will maintain electron flow to the rest of the components of this truck, and hopefully the radio will not lose its memory. Beep, powering on. Yeah. Well, that's kind of shot myself in the foot there. Oh, I know, I have an idea, because I need to close this. I don't want that open. Be right back, I have a good idea. Really. Okay, so here's how this is gonna go. Take those guys back off, and I'll install some little miniature jumper cables, and that will let me close the lid.
Came back after,
There, jump box powering back on. Beep. System's initialized. All right, now I can pull this battery out. Ow! I burnt my arm on the radiator again. I need to stop doing that. It hurts. Okay, I want to make this fast because that jump box is not going to stop beeping. And that's annoying. Nobody likes it. Beep. And let's pull off the bracket, or the hold down clamp, I should say. Come out of here. There it is. Now, since this jump box is powering the fuse box, that also means that this right here is a live circuit. So we're going to take care to not ground that out because that would also be bad. All right, battery's out. I think some leaf removal is in order. Blowgun there. I've switched to the assault blowgun. Shiny. So on. Cut. Beep. So I'm actually a little disappointed because I didn't find this thing to be all crusty and covered in corrosion, and I wanted to do a legendary battery terminal service. But since it's not junk, I kind of can't. Uh-oh, I didn't want to do that. Give it back to me. There, that's also now nice and shiny. All right, I got the new one. Die-hard battery, part number 94, RH7 Gold. And we're just gonna sneak this guy right in here without breaking stuff. Yeah. And this is an improvement in capacity. This battery is rated at 800 cold cranking amps. Now, in order to generate maximum shininess, I'll put a quick polish on these terminal ends here. I would have liked to have used my device that goes on the gun, but I blew it up because my gun was impacting and that tool was not impact rated. I know, quit beeping at me, please. Mini clicks. And one more time on the negatory connector. That one doesn't go down all the way, but that's fine. That gives me an opportunity to showcase a gift that I received from a viewer, which is a battery terminal clamp spreader. Much more effective than hammers or screwdrivers. Nice. There it goes. I like it. Good. All right, I'm gonna kill you guys with this next one. Click 15 foot-pounds of torque. Or no, this is set for 10 foot-pounds. 10 will be sufficient. Oh no, I made an error. Just realized it. I do this every time. Take it all back apart. Love my job so much, I do it twice. You guys noticed. I know you noticed even before I did. I didn't install the insulation. And I should have. There. No harm, no foul. Get back on there, please. Thank you. I know. Beep. Now I'm going to torque wrench it again. You know what? I can turn that off now. There. I love that jumper box, but it has that stupid alarm thing that tells you when it's connected. Clicks. Why are you still beeping? Disconnect it all the way. Let's see if it shuts up then. 1 clamp, 2 clamps. Okay, a little wedge, ear up. That goes down in its home, but I can't see. Ha, did you hear that dong sound? That was a 55-gallon drum that's expanding because it's in the sun. Click. Battery install complete. Well, partially complete. I'm going to put some spray on there to prevent future corrosion. Which, based on the condition in which I found this, I don't think this is prone to corroding, but we never know what environment it may end up in the future. Nice and painted shiny. And then this guy goes right chaw. Donzo. All right, everybody, this will conclude my service procedures and repairs on this particular vehicle. Wipe down my fingerprints, and we're gonna give it back to the lady. She's waiting. Let's starting the auto and see if the clock has been reset or not, and the time is accurate. So my attempts to save a memory were effective. Uh-oh, run out of gas. All right, guys, that will conclude today's entry-level service experience on this Electron storage unit on this particular vehicle. As always, I'd like to thank everybody here for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm assuming that since you stayed here all the way to the end that you did enjoy this video. And if that's the case, I would ask of you to scroll down ever so slightly and tappy tap that thumbs up button down below. That button is what lets me and YouTube know that I have done a good job here. And if YouTube thinks that I have done a good job, it is far more likely to recommend my content to other potential viewers. And that's good for me, and it's also good for the viewers. So again, and as always, thank you guys for watching. And most importantly, before I go, I have to remind myself to remind you to not forget to have yourselves a great day. So everybody, don't forget, have a great day. See you guys later. End of transmission.